Hi, first grade, welcome back. Now we're going to do the second part of our skywriting art lesson. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the airplane. So I've got a pencil and I'm going to trace it with a black marker, and then I'm going to color it with the warm colors, the red, orange, and yellow. Since my sky is the cool colors, I decided to color my airplane with the warm colors. But you can make it however you want. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is in about the middle of the paper, and I have my paper sideways, we're going to draw the body of the plane. So I'm going to draw a curved line that comes down a little bit further at that end. And from here, it's going to start off skinnier and get fatter. So I'm going to curve around a little bit. Kind of looks like a carrot in a way. But when I get here, I'm going to curve up. And I'm going to make that connect. So this is going to be like an old-fashioned plane. Alright, we're going to add the tail, which is going to kind of look like two triangle shapes. And we're going to make one of the wings kind of the same shape. And then we're going to make the other wing Now, I do need to erase this line right here to show that the wing is attached to the plane back here. And then the last thing is to make a window for the pilot to see out of. So now I'm going to take my black marker and I'm just going to trace all my pencil lines. So my plane has a nice outline to it. And then if you have any pencil lines showing, you can just erase them. Alright, so now I'm going to color my plane. I think I'm going to make the wings and the tail red. So you can use markers or crayons to color this. You can put designs on it if you want. Okay. So maybe I'll do, maybe I'll do like a checkerboard where I draw my plane into sections. That. And then I color every other one. So this will be yellow. Skip one. This will be yellow. So I skipped that one. Now I'm going to skip this one to make this yellow. Skip that one. Skip this one, so this one would be yellow. Okay, now I'm going to make the rest orange. Actually, I think I did that wrong. This one should be orange. And here's why. Because this time on the bottom, I'm going to start with orange. And then I'm going to skip. That one's orange. This one's orange. Skipping this one. That makes this one orange. And that one orange. And then the rest will be yellow. And then that makes it kind of look like a checkerboard. Now you could do stripes, you could do polka dots, you could do zigzags, you could put a picture on it. Okay, and then I'm going to leave this part white. Alright, so next we're going to cut that out. Have to find my scissors. So I want to keep the black part on there, so I'm going to cut around the outside of that black line. Now remember, if I'm ever going too fast, you can always pause the video until you get caught up and then restart it. Okay, so there's my plane. Now I need to get my background paper. So here's the background paper that we made the last time. And I did trim off a little bit of the white that I didn't need at the bottom and on the side. So you want to glue your plane sort of towards the bottom. You can have it sticking off the paper if you want to. I think I'm going to have mine stick off a little bit. So I'm going to find where I want it and then I'm going to glue it on. So for this, I'm using a glue stick. Okay, so then it kind of looks like your plane is flying off the paper. Alright, and next we're going to do the design that the smoke makes. So you're going to need your cotton balls. Now I have some of my glue water left, so I am going to use that to glue on the cotton balls, but you could use a glue stick too. Just make sure you put the glue stick on the paper, not on the cotton balls, or your glue stick will be a cotton ball mess. Alright, so we have some cotton balls. Now, you could make a simple shape, like a heart, or a star or a circle. You could try to write out a name. Like maybe your name is Joe. You could try to write out Joe. So I'm taking my cotton balls and I'm stretching them out, pulling them apart a little bit. And I'm pulling them to make them look fluffy like that. So that's one cotton ball. So I'm going to do that to some of mine to get them ready. I'm not sure how many I'm going to need. So I'm going to start with 5 or 6, and then I can make more if I need them. So it's kind of cool because they do kind of look like smoke, puffy smoke. And don't worry if you pull them apart, because you can always glue them back together on your paper. Okay, so I did 6 to start, and I think I'm going to do a heart shape. So I have to think about what does a heart look like. And I'm just kind of laying them on here. Okay, so I'm going to need one more to finish the heart. Okay, and then what you want to do is have a smoke trail to the plane, because the plane is still having that smoke come out the back. So then it looks like the plane just made the heart and now it's flying away. Now you can make your heart bigger. I think I might actually make mine bigger because it seems pretty small for the paper. So I'm going to have to use some more cotton balls. All right, let's see about 2 more. Sorry, I didn't mean to change my mind on you, but that's part of art. You have to make decisions while you're making art. Sometimes you want to change things, and that's fine. Sometimes something doesn't work out and you have to find a different way to do it. So I think one more should do it. Alright, that's better. My heart looks a bit bigger now. And that still works to get the smoke to the plane. So now that I have that all laid out, I just have to glue. So I'm going to lift one piece up at a time. I'm going to put some glue there. And then I'm going to stick that piece back on. Lift up the next piece. Put on some glue. Push it down. I'm just going to keep doing that until I get all the way around. Alright, I have that side finished. Actually, I'm going to just move the rest. I decided to tear this piece in half so I can get that nice pointy end on the heart. And then the smoke trail. Okay, so there's the whole picture. The smoke heart on the cool sky with the warm airplane flying away. Cool. So a heart is actually pretty easy. If you want to do another shape, you might need a grown-up to help you, like a star, or if you want to write a name out, like, what did I say, Joe? So a J, and an O. Oh boy, E. Let's see how we can make that. And an E. So that spells Joe, J-O-E. So you can do it with cotton balls. You can make names. So you finish it however you want with whatever picture or word you want on yours. So I think that was a pretty cool activity. I hope you enjoyed it. So I'll see you next time for some new art lessons. I probably won't be back on until after Thanksgiving. So have a very happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you after that.